Internet, welcome to another adventure. Today I am with Tiny Terror. How are you today, sir?
Good.
And the club.
I'm doing good, man. Today we're in the bush.
Well, I didn't ask. Anyway, you know what we're going to today?
Taco Bell.
Well, you like tacos. Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Perfect. We're going to a taqueria pizzeria fusion spot in Anaheim, California called Mr. Nice Tacos. I don't really have high hopes though, to be fair, so whatever. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. I'm sorry and not sorry. All right, before we go eat tacos and pizza, I figured we'd stop and swing by and say hello to Bob. It's been a while since I've seen Bob. You know what I saw in today's news? I saw that Volkswagen's going to discontinue the Slug Bug. Apparently they're not selling at all, so they're just going to call it a day. That's crazy. That's Volkswagen's most iconic car. In fact, that's one of the most iconic cars I've ever seen. No way I'm going to sit behind this thing. Thank you, sir. Hello. All right, Tribuco General Store. Once again, here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are.
You want to see this put to good use?
Yeah. That was horrible use. Bob, what's up? Tiny Terror, I need you to search Bob.
All right.
Bob does have stuff.
Bob's got some V-Rod.
Mr. V-Rod.
Nothing.
Did you just reach down his pants?
I was just...
Your boyfriend's gonna get mad. I got an email from somebody yesterday saying that they left some stuff with Bob, so I don't know. Maybe somebody got to it first.
How big is your bike?
How big?
Yeah,
600.
600?
Yeah.
Hmm.
We have this Astro Pop.
Pineapple?
That's gonna be good.
Oh, Astro Pop like the sucker? That'll be good. Astro Pop. Bye, Bob. Bye, guys.
Grapefruit. This is good.
Good visit with Bob. I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. If you're gonna leave me something of any sort of importance or value, tell the people behind the counter you have something for me. And what they'll do is they'll put it in a bag and label it for me and put it under the counter somewhere. Free as a bird, that guy was. That was like the final episode of Sons of Anarchy, where Jax Teller goes right into a semi-truck. That's what that guy was doing. Lucky for him, I don't think semi-trucks are allowed on this road. All right, next stop, tacos and pizza. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Mr. Nice Tacos. I don't know a whole lot. The place is brand new. They don't have a website or anything, but they do have a Facebook page. I mean, we're talking months old. And the Yelp rating in this place, it's perfect. It's got a perfect score as to date. Like I said before, I really don't have high hopes for this place, so we'll just see. We'll see. I mean, worst comes to worst, the pizza sucks, the tacos probably be good, but I'm kind of interested in the taco pizza fusion. A taqueria pizzeria. Ha! Who would have thought? I'm into it. I'm into it. I know earlier I said I don't have high hopes for this place, but you know what? I'm gonna what that shit right out of the universe. I have high hopes. This place is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be the best restaurant I've ever gone to in my whole entire life. And I'm sticking to that. So we got Tiny Terror's riding that TNT Benelli, man. It's a cool bike. If you guys want to know more about that bike, there's a link to it in the description of this video. You'll really be surprised. It's very affordable, and it looks good, too. It really does. Stripped up, your life's worth. Even nice for the angel of death. 400,000 more to die. Why don't we dare her to try to find a chick's number?
That, I feel like I'm gonna get jumped.
We're almost to our destination, but obviously Kleb can't go there without Taco Bell hot sauce, so that's what we're trying to do now. We're looking for a Taco Bell. Uh-oh. That's Cali Taco over there. Remember when we went there? It was pretty good. The place is so popular, Cali Tacos. Been there in a video. It's good. You guys should go back and watch that. That was actually a really, really funny video. I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. It's worth it. Go watch it. We wound up at the ocean. So, I mean, it was a big video. It really was. It was a long day. I wonder what he's saying. I bet he's talking shit. This is a huge road. Look at how wide this road is. You're gonna get shot. Are you planking? Is that still a thing?
That's 2010, Clem.
That's the year I was born. That was good.
That was impressive. He must be from Europe. I don't know why I did that. I regret that. Let's just edit that out of the video. Catella Avenue is our exit. I think we went the wrong way. I know we did. I screwed up. Gotta do your turn. Are you gonna propose? Oh my God, he's proposing. Your boyfriend's not gonna like that. Did you see that? He just proposed to her. He just proposed to her. Wow. You are gonna be discontinued, Mr. Bug. Remind me to move all the social distortion out of my phone. I'm just not into them anymore. This is a cool road. Oh shit, Taco Bell? I put myself in a pickle. Come on, man. Alright. Thanks. Oh, I'm stupid. Parking only for State Farm. That's me.
I feel like we're in the hood, like talking to each other over the wall.
Can you toss me a couple packets of hot sauce, please? Yeah. Toss. Hurry. Throw. Come on. I'll catch it. Okay, will you put it on the hood of the van then?
We just gotta leave.
That didn't work out. Oh, look at that. 98-cent store. So we've heard a dollar store, we're at 99-cent store. 98-cent store? That's a better value. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, shit. It's right there. That's it. We f***ed up. Yeah, this place is brand new. Look at this. Pizza, tacos, pizza, now open.
You can't even eat anything because you're a vegetarian.
Taco pizza time. Let's eat. What do you think? Before we go in, you think this place is going to be any good?
I think so.
All right. Mr. Taco Nice, what'd you think? We had the La Mexicana pizza, which was chorizo and carne asada. We got a pepperoni and cheese pizza and 4 carne asada tacos. Out of all that stuff, what did you like?
Tacos, for sure.
The tacos were good. What did you think about the Mexican pizza?
Oh man, we should have gotten a Little Caesars.
You weren't a fan?
No.
No?
It was disappointing.
What about you, Clevy?
Yeah.
Out of all the stuff that we got, what did you like?
I like the cucumbers the most.
The cucumbers. Well, out of all the stuff that I got, I like the cheese and pepperoni pizza. That was really good. I mean, it wasn't the worst, it wasn't the best. It's a little far from my liking. If I was in the area, maybe I'd come back for some of that pizza. But for the cheese and pepperoni pizza, I really like that. The specialty pizza, you know, it's too far out of the box for me. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Go over to Clev's channel, see what he's got to offer. Follow her on Instagram. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Big shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You guys make it all worth it. Appreciate it. Huge shout out to the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry and Dad, and Voss Helmets. It's always important to support the companies that support us. With that, I'll catch you guys later.